Quick, easy, and delicious. Today I'm sharing a recipe of chicken kebab, which are so versatile that you can eat them at sahur, iftar, or any time of the day. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First, in a food processor, I'm adding boneless chicken. You guys know I use boneless thigh, adding cilantro, green chilies, and seasoning, salt, roasted and crushed cumin, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and black pepper powder, and then some cube onions. Process it until you have a fine paste. Then rest this mixture for some time. Then I have a water in a bowl. With the help of water, just make a smooth patty like so. Any size, it's how you prefer. Then spray some oil on the griddle and cook for 3 minutes on each side or until chicken is completely cooked and get this charred color. And here is your quick and easy chicken patty ready to serve. You can have it with the paratha rolls, chutney, raita, or just make some sliders. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. As always, thank you so much for watching.